I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce better. Begin by selecting the best canned tomatoes. San Marzano are often a top choice for their balanced sweetness. Always sauté your garlic and onions gently until they are translucent and aromatic, which builds a foundational layer of flavor. Don't rush this step, as it's crucial for a rich sauce. A splash of red wine, about 1/4 cup, can deglaze the pan, adding a wonderful complexity. To truly elevate your sauce, fresh herbs are key. Stir in torn basil leaves and fresh oregano during the last few minutes of cooking to preserve their vibrant flavor. For a gentle kick, a small pinch of red pepper flakes can awaken the palate without overpowering the other ingredients. If you enjoy a deeper, more earthy undertone, a single bay leaf simmered with the sauce can make a significant difference. Remember to remove it before serving. Achieving a truly great pasta sauce requires patience. Allow your sauce to simmer for at least 30 minutes, or even longer, to let all the flavors fully develop and deepen. For an incredibly silky texture and added richness, stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter right before serving. This simple trick creates a luxurious mouthfeel. Also, don't forget to reserve some pasta water. A small amount can help emulsify the sauce, making it cling beautifully to your pasta. For the ultimate finish, a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese adds a salty, umami depth that ties everything together. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving brightens the flavors and adds a lovely sheen. These small additions make a big impact. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.